This is a question of chapter pressure, and this is SLC question of Eastern Region 2071, and this device is hydraulic press, and the question is, if cross section area of piston A, this is piston A, is 30 centimeters square and piston B is 90 centimeters square, this cross section area of B is greater than A, and effort of 40 Newton is applied on A. Here effort is applied 40 Newton, and if this 40 Newton effort is applied on A, then how much load is needed on piston B to balance it? How much load here we have to apply? Here what load should be applied to balance the load of 40 Newton kept on A? This is the question. Now I am going to solve this question. The information given in the question are, first, look at this, area of A is given, area of piston A. It is given as, it can be denoted by A1 symbolically, and it is given 30 centimeter square. Another information is area of piston B. Area of piston B, and this is denoted by A2. Area of a small piston is denoted by A1, big piston is denoted by A2, and this is 90 centimeter square. Other information, force on piston A is given. So I am writing force on piston A. Force on piston A is denoted by F1, and this force is 40 Newton. And the question is, force or load required to balance this 40 Newton, means force on piston B, which can be denoted by F2 is equal to question mark. This is the mathematical form of this question. Question is converted into mathematical form. Now we are using equation. We have what? Pressure on piston A is equal to pressure on piston B according to Pascal's law. That's why pressure on piston A is actually F1 by A1, and pressure on piston B is F2 by A2. That's why I can write, we have F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. Now I am going to write the value of this, or F1 is given 40 Newton and A1 is also given 30 centimeters square. F2 we are going to find out, F2 we have to calculate, and A2 is given as 90 centimeters square. Now this centimeter square can be cancelled, because if this is taken here, the left hand side, it comes in numerator, and we can cut this centimeter square. 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now F2 is equal to 3 into 40 Newton. This is equal to, F2 is equal to 120 Newton. 120 Newton. It means the final answer is 120 Newton. What is it? The force required to balance this 40 Newton force kept on piston A is 120 Newton. We have to put 120 Newton weight on piston B to balance the weight of 40 Newton or force of 40 Newton applied on A. This is our final answer.